In a small village nestled in the English countryside, where cobblestone streets wound their way through timeless landscapes, lived a man named Thomas, known for his storytelling prowess. He often gathered the villagers around the old oak tree in the town square, captivating them with tales of love, loss, and hope. On this particular evening, as the sun set and cast a warm, golden glow over the village, Thomas began a story that would touch the hearts of all who listened. In the autumn of 1922, a young couple, Lily and James, lived in a quaint cottage on the outskirts of the village. Their love was the kind that inspired poets and artists. It was pure, deep, and unwavering. They had plans to marry in the spring, to start a family, and to grow old together. But fate had other plans. One stormy night, James was returning home from the market when his carriage was struck by a falling tree. He never made it back to Lily. The village mourned his loss, but none more so than Lily, whose heart shattered into 1,000 pieces. She spent her days in solitude, the world around her a blur of grief and sorrow. Months passed, and Lily's friends and family grew increasingly concerned for her well-being. One cold winter night, as Lily sat by the fireplace, clutching a locket that held a picture of James, she felt a sudden warmth envelop her. She looked up to see a faint, ethereal glow in the corner of the room. Slowly, the glow took shape, and before her stood James, his form shimmering with a ghostly light. "Lily," he whispered, his voice carrying a mix of love and sorrow, "I cannot stay, but I am here to guide you. You must live, my love. You must find happiness again." Tears streamed down Lily's face as she reached out to touch him, but her hand passed through his spectral form. "I don't know how to move on without you," she sobbed. James smiled gently. "I will help you. I will be with you every step of the way." From that night on, James would appear to Lily in moments of quiet and solitude, offering her guidance and comfort. He left her small signs, a feather on her windowsill, the scent of his favorite cologne in the air, and whispers of encouragement in her dreams. Slowly, Lily began to heal. She took walks in the village, reconnected with old friends, and found solace in the simple joys of life. James guided her to take up painting, a passion she had abandoned after his death. As she dipped her brush into vibrant colors, she felt his presence beside her, guiding her hand. Her paintings became a tribute to their love, each stroke a reflection of the bond they shared. One spring day, Lily was at the village market selling her paintings when she met William, a kind-hearted and gentle man who had recently moved to the village. William was immediately drawn to Lily's strength and beauty, and they struck up a conversation. Over the following weeks, they spent more time together, their friendship blossoming into something deeper. Lily felt a pang of guilt, torn between her love for James and her growing feelings for William. That night, as she sat by the fireplace, James appeared once more. "My dearest Lily," he said softly, "it is time for you to open your heart again. William is a good man. He will bring you happiness." "But James," Lily whispered, "I feel as if I am betraying you." James shook his head. "Our love is eternal, Lily. It has given you strength and will always be a part of you. But you must live. You must love again." As Lily and William grew closer, a dark shadow loomed over them. One evening, while Lily was out for a walk in the woods near their cottage, a storm rolled in. The sky darkened, and the wind howled through the trees. Unbeknownst to her, danger was lurking. Suddenly, a figure emerged from the shadows, grabbing Lily and dragging her deeper into the forest. She struggled, but the assailant was strong. In that moment of terror, Lily felt an overwhelming sense of James's presence, more powerful than ever before. Miles away in his study, William felt a sudden, inexplicable urge to find Lily. It was as if an invisible hand guided him. He dropped everything and raced out into the storm, his heart pounding with fear and determination. Guided by an unseen force, William navigated the dark, treacherous paths of the forest. He called out for Lily, his voice echoing through the trees. Finally, he found her, struggling against her attacker. Fueled by a mixture of love and desperation, William fought off the assailant and pulled Lily into his arms. Breathless and shaking, they made their way back to the safety of the cottage. As they sat by the fireplace, recovering from the ordeal, Lily whispered, "It was James. He led you to me." William nodded, understanding the bond that still connected them. "I believe it. His love for you is strong, and so is mine." With James's blessing and William's unwavering support, Lily allowed herself to embrace her feelings for William. They grew closer, their love a testament to the resilience of the human heart. William respected Lily's past and cherished her memories of James, understanding that they shaped the woman he loved. One summer evening, as the sun set over the rolling hills, William proposed to Lily in the very spot where she and James had once planned their future. With tears of joy and bittersweet remembrance, Lily accepted, feeling James's presence in the warm breeze that rustled the leaves around them. Years passed, and Lily and William built a beautiful life together. They had children and grandchildren, their home filled with love and laughter. Yet, in quiet moments, Lily still felt James's presence, a comforting reminder of the love that had guided her through the darkest times. One crisp autumn day, as Lily sat by the fireplace with her granddaughter, she shared the story of James and the guidance he had given her from beyond. The young girl's eyes widened with wonder as she listened to the tale of love that transcended time and space. "Do you ever see James now, Grandma?" the granddaughter asked softly. Lily smiled, her eyes filled with a lifetime of memories. "Not in the same way, my dear. But I feel him with me, always. His love gave me the strength to live and love again. And that, my sweet child, is the greatest gift of all." The village remembered the story of Lily and James, passed down through generations, a testament to the enduring power of love. As the sun set over Willow Creek, the old oak tree stood tall in the town square, its branches whispering the timeless tale of a love that never truly died. And so, in the heart of Willow Creek, the story of Lily, James, and William lived on, a reminder that love, even in the face of loss and adversity, endures forever.